Colorful carpets watch as a rainbow of supercar zoom by in drizzling brothers. Of course, from the Red and Ferrari of electric blue Lamborghini, your little one will be cavity by the stunning visual.
Shapes and sizes. Let's learn about the different shapes and sizes of supercars. Circle wheels, sleek aerodynamic bodies, and unique features that make each car special. It's a fun way for kids to explore basic geometry concepts. Race day fun! Join us at the imaginary racetrack for some friendly competition between the supercars. Cheer for your favorites as they speed through the course, and maybe even learn about numbers as we count down to the start of the race. Car sounds galore. Give ready for some noisy fun as we listen to the roar of powerful engines, the honking of horns, and the screeching of tires. Kids will love mimicking the sounds and getting hands-on with the interactive experience. Fun Facts Corner. Did you know that some supercars can go faster than an airplane taking off? Discover amazing facts about each car that will leave your little ones wide-eyed with wonder. Fun Facts Corner. Did you know that some supercars can go faster than an airplane taking off? Discover amazing facts about each car. This video is designed with young minds in mind. It's a blend of entertainment and education that aims to spark curiosity and enthusiasm about cars. The vibrant visuals, catchy tunes, and friendly narration create an engaging experience for preschoolers and older kids alike. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the next exciting adventure with supercars. Join us in making learning fun and memorable for your little one. Don't forget